BM, mega love shout out BM. Welcome. Thank you for coming, BM. Yeah, you have jacket already. You can drop your link, BM. BM from Thailand. Oh, why? You have moderator eh. Mega love shout out everyone. Maraming salamat po. Ayan po. Thank you for coming. Salamat sa pagbisita. Our friend from Thailand. Nandyan, maglablaban lang tayo. Can you show your love to each other? Can drop your link. You want WH? You can drop your link. I will play your videos. Hello host, thank you. Hello BM, mega love shout out. You can drop your link, mega shout out BM from Thai. Our friend from Thailand, mega love shout out everyone. Thank you for coming. Maraming salamat. Thanks for support my channel. Yan po. Mag-isang oras na po tayo. Matatapos na po aking lunch. Puntahan natin mamaya si Honey Queen. My honey love, so sweet. Ganun na. Mega love shout out everyone. Alas 2 kay Honey Queen. Maraming salamat po. Mega love shout out everyone. Thank you for coming. Maraming salamat po sa pagbisita, pagsama at pagsuporta. Maraming salamat po sa pagbisita. Mega love shout out Yaya Inday. Thank you for the BGBG dyan, Yaya Inday. Mega love shout out for Yaya Inday. Ayan po. Tuloy-tuloy lang po tayo. Maraming salamat. Let's take a ride with me. Sure, we can take a ride with you. Where are we going? Thailand is open for the BTL, vaccinated traveling, I think. I want to go to Thai in Phuket. I never go there yet. Phuket, Thailand. Thai is one of the beautiful places and wonderful people. They are so friendly. Anya. Mega love shout out everyone. Thank you. Maraming salamat po sa ating 5 million viewers dyan. Thank you so much. Pagbisita, pagsama. You can drop your link guys. Pwede ka magbaba ng link dyan. Lablabin nyo na yan. Lablabin nyo na yan. Mega love shout out everyone. Thank you for coming. Maraming salamat po pagbisita at pagsama sa aking munting tahanan.